Let's talk about something that affects your team more than anything you say. Your state of being and the way you show up. Your nervous system sets the tone the moment you walk into the room. If you're calm and centered, people feel safe. If you're tense or overwhelmed, your team feels that too. This is the first domain called neuroresilience. The second domain is attentional sensitivity. This describes the way your brain filters information. Some leaders naturally see opportunities. Others see risks first. This affects how you respond to feedback, how you make decisions, and how you communicate under pressure. When leaders understand how to regulate their energy and shift their internal lens, they see phenomenal changes. For example, trust grows, communication improves, and teams respond with more confidence and clarity.